نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 24. In this lesson we will be learning حروف عطف. What is حروف عطف? Which connects two words or two things together. For example, جاء زيد وعمر. Zaid and Amr came. So waw is حرف عطف. If you look at the تركيب, جاء is فعل, زيد وعمر so becomes فاعل because they are doing an action. So waw is حرف عطف and then زيد becomes معطوف عليه and عمر becomes معطوف and they all together becomes فاعل. So here waw is حرف عطف and فاعل with فاعل become جملة فعلية. I don't know if we have studied خبرية. We might study خبرية. So it becomes جملة فعلية. And there are few various types of حروف عطف. And the first one is واو. ف ثم حتى إما أو أم لا بل لكن. They all حروف عطف. They come between words or sentences and then join them together. So the first one is wow. The meaning of wow is and. For example, جاء زيد وبكر. Zaid and Bakr came. So for this there is no sequence required. It can be جاء بكر وزيد or جاء زيد وبكر. So no sequence is required. And the second one is fa. And the meaning of fa is then or thus. For example, جاء زيد فبكر. Here if we see fa, this is حرف عطف. جاء زيد فبكر. Zaid came, then Bakr came. جاء زيد فبكر. So Zaid came, then Bakr. Then Bakr came. And the second, it can be used for sabab, because of something that happened. Here, if you read أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة. So here fa is عطف. It connects two sentences together. أنزل من السماء ماء. So he sends down water from the sky. أنزل, he sends down من السماء from the sky ماء, water. فتصبح الأرض مخضرة. So therefore the earth becomes green. Here sabaha is the meaning of becoming. Then becomes the earth green. Then or therefore the earth becomes green. So here the fa is used for sabab. أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة. أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة. Sorry, مخضرة. So he sends down water from the sky, therefore the earth becomes green. So here fa for sabab, and here the fa is sequence then. And if you look, the third one is thumma, is also for then. And also there's a sequence required and also a little delay. For example, جاء زيد ثم بقر. جاء زيد ثم بقر. Zaid came, then Bakar came. What does it mean? Zaid came, and after some time, Bakar came. The thumma indicates that he came later after Zaid. جاء زيد ثم بقر. Zaid came, then Bakar. Yani, after a while, Bakar came. And another one is harf ataf hatta. The meaning is up to, till, even. For example, قرأت القرآن حتى آخره. I read the Quran until the end. Or قرأت القرآن, I read the Quran حتى الآخرة, until its end. So here, I read the Quran until the end. So it comes from غاية, which shows the end point. غاية, the end. Another example, قدم الحجاج حتى المشاء. The Hujaj came, قدم, the Hujaj came, حتى, even those who were on foot. Masha, those who were on foot. Yani, those who were on foot also came. It is given us the time that those people who came at the end also came. This hatta is telling us قدم الحجاج حتى المشاء. The Hujaj came, even those on foot. So hatta is up to, till, even. And another one is imma, is either or. Imma can be used for either or. For example, الثمر إما حلو وإما مر. الثمر, the fruit, إما is either حلو, sweet, وإما مر, or bitter. وإما can be used for and or it can be used just for or. So the fruit is either sweet or bitter. So imma is used for ataf. And another one is aw. Aw is used or, just for or. The imma was either or, and aw is just or. For example, لبثنا يوما أو بعد يوم. Allah says in the Quran, لبثنا يوما أو بعد يوم. لبثنا, we stayed يوما, for a day, أو بعد يوم, or a part of a day. So لبسنا يوما أو بعد يوم, we stayed for a day or part of a day. So أو is just for, meaning or. إما is either or. Is also used for or. But it is just used for istifham. Istifham is, we studied asking a question, it's called istifham. If someone is asking a question, so is used mostly for istifham. For example, أزيد عندك أم بقر? أزيد عندك, is Zaid with you? أم بقر, or Bakar? So أزيد عندك أم بقر, is Zaid with you or Bakar? So is used for istifham, asking question. And another one is La. La is also harfi ataf, which meaning no. So, for example, جاءني زيد لا بكر. جاءني زيد لا بكر. Zaid came to me, not Bakar. جاءني زيد, Zaid came to me, لا بكر, not Bakar. So here it's used for la, and that is ataf, connecting two words together and telling us that Zaid came, but not Bakar. And another one, which is the last one, bal, can be used but, instead, rather. So I don't want to go in the details, just to remember bal is used for but, instead, rather. For example, جاءني زيد بل بقر. جاءني زيد بل بقر. Zaid came to me, rather Bakar. جاءني زيد بل بقر. Zaid came to me, rather Bakar. Or you can say جاءني زيد, Zaid came to me but Bakar, meaning Bakar did not come. So I just want you to know these are حروف عطف and their meanings. They might have later explanation. Just if you remember the meaning, that would be enough. But remember, imma, aw, Imma is used either or, aw is used for or, is used for istifham. So try to study them, try to memorize them, so when you read Quran, you understand which one is used and what is the meaning, and if it is ataf with delay, ataf without delay, and the rest. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursaleen, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.